Hey guys, welcome back. So the one year name, Jamaican style tin mackerel pasta. Yes. Guys, this is a Jamaican style pasta because you know your girl is very creative and I love to try different things from the regular Jamaican meals. So guys, I got 2 tins of Grace Jack mackerel, and you all know how to open these, so I don't need to show you. Yes, I'm on the side opening my mackerel to show you, and I remove my bones and I remove some little black stuff from it because that's my business, and I added some vinegar. Now you saw before I cooked my pasta until it was a little dentine. I did it for like probably 10 minutes. Then I'll be using some onions, bell pepper, and the likes because that's my business, to fry up my tin mackerel with some pepper. So there's my pasta all ready, and this dinner was ready within 20 minutes. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to give the video a like. I thank you so very much. I appreciate it. And don't forget to watch the little 2-second videos. Don't be mean. Even if you have to leave your phone running without sitting at it, just support you girl by just watching the little ads on my video. Yes. So I used some olive oil and I warmed my tin mackerel up. And listen, it's not swimming in a lot of oil. No. I used a little oil and I allow this to cook a little. Quick and easy Jamaica style pasta with tin mackerel pasta. Added me some pepper, a little black pepper on it because that's a girl business. Feel free to season up your tin mackerel, yeah, because your girl added a little garlic powder on mine, a little cayenne pepper, no salt because it already has flavor. Then it was that time to add in my pasta. Once you add your pasta in, you just mix this in. Just stir this in and mix this up. This is one dish. Make this for your kids. Make this for your husband. Make this for a family member. And listen, tell them you saw this over Shell's Time Kitchen. Yes, not the regular, not the normal that we're used to. And because your girl is extra, and that's my business, I added a little tomato paste to mine. You can add ketchup to yours just to give it a little flavor. And let me tell you something, my daughter, my husband loves this pasta. Really nice. I always do this quick and easy. Use up the tin mackerel them. You know, always eat with flour and banana. Yeah, you can try it with pasta. If you don't understand, you can have tin mackerel. In America, they call them mostly sardines. You can mix that with your pasta to get a Jamaican style tin mackerel pasta. Look at this. 5-star worth of work. Within 20 minutes, dinner was ready. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to give the video a like. I start giving you a little humor because I have that inside of me too. Dinner ready. Dinner was lit. Listen, Jamaican style tin mackerel pasta. Spicy, nice. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video and don't be mean with it. Give the video a like.